The wait is over, presenting the nominees for Zimbabwe's 2024 Artist of the Year from the first ever ZIMMUSIC263 online music awards. These artists have set the music scene on fire. Holiton, Shashal, Master H, Chillmaster, Ja Preza, Volts JT, Winky D, K-Chaps, Nisha TS, Dorcas Mojo, Saint Flo, Killer T, Feli Nandi, Silent Killer, Tigonzi, Freeman HKD, Gemma Griffiths, King David, also known as Baba Harare, Nutty-O, Young Gemini, Bling 4, Tommy Moyo, Baga, Bling 4, Annatoria. These top artists have led the charts and put Zimbabwean music on the global map. Stay tuned as we reveal more categories.